Welcome back to the Hydrogen Technology World Expo here in Hamburg. I'm Keith Maynard from the Hydrogen Standard, and I'm now chatting to Jack Williams, who's the Business Development Manager for James Cropper Advanced Materials. Nice to meet you, Jack.
Keith, nice to meet you too.
Now tell us a little bit about James Cropper Advanced Materials and what role do you play in the hydrogen space?
So at James Cropper, we're proud to play a key role in driving the hydrogen economy forward. We do this by supporting PEM electrolyser OEM manufacturers from lab scale all the way through to commercial scale. And for those established players in the market, we also support them by providing our coating service almost immediately to their products. Resillion technology is a proprietary coating technology by James Cropper, which enables a platinum deposition onto titanium substrates such as bipolar plates, meshes, porous transport layers, including felts and sinters. What I find particularly interesting about the way James Cropper operates is the combination of our deep R&D expertise alongside our strong industry partnerships. What this essentially enables is us to test in our state-of-the-art testing facilities to replicate real-world electrolyser applications. So this essentially enables us to innovate quickly and prove to ourselves that the technology is as good as we believe it to be. By improving component longevity and reducing the degradation rate, we're able to significantly reduce the levelised cost of hydrogen, and this is a big attraction for our potential customers. Resillion, to date, we've coated well over 250,000 parts. These are deployed globally, and it stands testament that our product is not only proven, but commercially validated at scale. These kind of volumes give us the trust from our customers to have them come back to us and repeat their work with us.
So the hydrogen space is constantly evolving. What kind of challenges does that throw up?
Yeah, so the hydrogen economy is moving at a fast pace, not as fast as some models have predicted, nor as fast as I'd like it to, but we are seeing this transition from pilot scale projects through to multi-megawatt deployment of electrolyser systems. The challenges have always been performance, longevity of components, and supply chain complexity. These challenges still exist as we move into scale, but they just become even more critical.
Now, the hydrogen supply chain is often very complex. What are you doing to combat that?
Yeah, completely agree that consolidation and collaboration is going to be key, and that's why I'm proud to be part of the Ready to Stack initiative that our company has launched with Hoerbiger. Essentially, Ready to Stack is a drop-in solution for bipolar plates. So this enables the combination of sourcing, forming, coating, sealing, and testing of materials all under one streamlined package. What this does for the OEMs is it gives them peace of mind, reduces costs, and allows them to unify quality assurance of their parts.
So durability is often cited as a real challenge. How do you overcome that at James Cropper?
Durability is a big challenge for the OEM electrolysers, and we tackle that head on with our proprietary resilient coating technology. What we do is we focus on where it matters most, and this is at the bipolar plate and the porous transport layer. We look and study the degradation mechanisms to understand better how we can improve our product. By improving component longevity and extending the component lifetime, we're able to significantly reduce the total cost of ownership for these parts.
Now, I've heard you mention degradation a few times. Why is that so crucial within this space?
Degradation is critical. Essentially, it leads to the performance and the operating cost savings that you can make. Our Resillion technology is proven to operate at a degradation rate of 3.9 microvolts per hour. This is outperforming the Department of Energy benchmark of 4.8 microvolts per hour. Microvolt may not sound like much, but if you consider a 5 megawatt system over its operating lifetime of 80,000 hours, say, this equates to a saving of well over $400,000. This is why we give this commercial advantage to our customers and why we're always continuously striving to improve on these degradation rates.
So looking ahead, and it's very difficult, I know, to predict the future, but what is next in the world of PEM electrolysers?
I think the key for the future will be collaboration, standardization, and ways to reduce cost further. It's a competitive landscape out there, and Resillion is going to be at the forefront of that as well. So we're constantly working to improve our technology. R&D is at the heart of our business, and it's something that we're always striving to improve on, whether it be reducing costs, extending component lifetimes, or reducing the rate of degradation. It's an exciting time for hydrogen, and with our technology, we're not just solving today's challenges, we're laying the path for a sustainable and greener energy future, and I'm proud to be a part of that journey.
Jack, thank you very much for chatting to us here at the Hydrogen Standard. I hope the rest of your time here in Hamburg is successful, and yeah, best of luck.